Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for InstaDesign Pro. Now I have an amazing bonus package for you today. It's probably one of the best I've put together this year. Now I've got a brand new application which is a text to voice service. Now I showed you a preview of this on my pre-sale page, but since then I've added even more voices and languages. So as you can see here, if you check this out compared to the pre-sale one, how much is in it. It's an amazing application. Now I'm going to lock this down to the first 50 buyers, so you must be in the first 50 buyers to get access to this. Now you'll get access to Vortio, plus you'll get access to the extended version as well. So this includes everything. It includes the AI, and everything in there will come in the extended version. It's an amazing app, it really is. Now if you're in that first 50, I'm also going to give you access to the reseller version as well. So I know that says 30 there on the little graphic, but I'm doing this at 50. So you must be in the first 50 buyers to get Vortio, Vortio Extended, and Vortio Reseller as well. Okay, with the reseller you get the sales page, everything you need to resell that as your own. An amazing application that we're just going to keep developing further and further. Okay, so that's the first part of the bonus. Next is the 20k traffic package. Now, I'm about 30,000 visits away from hitting 1 million visits on the Traffic Boost system. So to celebrate that, the first 50 people again are going to get 20,000 visits added to their Traffic Boost system. If you don't have a Traffic Boost system, we'll create one and add the 20,000 visits there as well. So that's an amazing deal. This is one of the biggest traffic packages we've given out. Now also, if you buy any upsell inside InstaDesign Pro, I'm going to add another 20,000 visitors as well. So that's an amazing offer. So what it means is doubling up your traffic package. Okay, and the Swipto. Now this is a online sharing system, so you can transfer files and lock them down. So you could sell access to a file, you can set expiry links, things like that. And I'm also going to give you the agency of that as well. Okay, so that's another bonus there. I'm giving you the Done For You 7-Figure 7. So these are 7 funnels which I've made 7 figures on. I'm going to give you 35 video courses master. So that means you get a master license to those videos. And I've got these other amazing bonuses as well. So you've got Change Mastery, email marketing expertise, Facebook domination, Facebook radar, implementation, the hidden secret, ultimate USP, brand marketer agency, Instamarketer agency, and the ultimate reseller pack as well. So we've thrown that in as well. So as I said, it's an amazing bonus package. There's 75 reseller packs there. It's huge. This is a real huge bonus pack, but you need to be in the first 50 people to claim this. Okay, so make sure that you're in the first 50 buyers and you will get everything you see here. If you still see it available on this page, then it means it's still available as part of the bonus. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to jump inside InstaDesign Pro so you can see exactly what this does. But this is worth buying just for my bonus alone. Okay, so thanks for watching. Watch the next video. Hi guys, and welcome to InstaDesign Pro. Now this is a design app for creating social media graphics. Really nice, got lots and lots of features. One of the nice features is it lets you spin the graphics, so you can create one graphic and spin the graphic to create multiple graphics with the same kind of design. Okay, got lots and lots of templates as well. So as you can see here, beauty, fashion, business, food, restaurant, health, fitness, home and garden. The templates do look really nice. They do look professionally designed. It gives you a really good starting point if you want to create something unique. So let's have a look at one of these. So if you just want to use a template, just click on it. It'll load into the editor. And once it's loaded, you can start utilizing that, making it different, changing the text, changing the graphics, etc. Then you also have lots of things that you can add in from up here as well. So let's go through some of this. So So the canvas and templates, we looked at shapes, so you can add different shapes if you wanted to. So let's click on this one here. And anything you add in, you can resize and move around, do whatever you want with those as well. So you've got shapes. As here, you can do it like with the, with the barrier type of thing here, but you can also do it here at the side, so you can scale it. You can change the opacity, and you can change all different things there. Okay, so you've got different shapes, you've got elements in there as well you can add in. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of these as well, absolutely tons of these that you can add in. Got different ones, on text, buttons, characters. You've got photos you can add in as well, lots of different photos. Let's add something in here at the side. As you can see, these are already cut, ready to go, so you don't need to remove the backgrounds or anything like that. Then you've got artwork. So for artwork, you've got lots and lots of different ones relating to the templates. So obviously, beauty and fashion, business, entrepreneurship. You can pull out the kind of artwork that you want to use with the template. So let's add in. So you can add all this in, lots and lots of different things you can add in there. So then you can add text in, change that text, change the colours, whatever you want. So if you wanted to change that to say, let's move that around. Oops, not that one. Picked up the wrong one. You can move that around, you can change the colour, do whatever you can, put outline colours as well. You can do whatever you want there, and you can then remove it if you want. So you've got colours, you've got text, you can upload that directly, you can load it or save it, you can move it to your cloud as well. They've got a cloud storage, so you can save that so it's saved on there, and you can pull it back and edit it again if you want. You can just export it, very easy to export. Just click export and it'll automatically export. Just give it a name, so I'll call this test design. You can see it just comes directly down there, and you can also spin that. So if you click spin, you can choose which sections to spin. So you can spin the text color. So let's choose the text color, you can spin that. It takes a little while just to spin the text color. As you can see, different colors there for all the text. If you wanted to use this one, just click on it. You can see the text that's on there, different colors. So you can do that with the images, the graphics, whatever you want the backgrounds. You can make them all look completely unique. Very nice little editor. And also you can post directly from here, so you can post. So if you want to post that, just click post. You can see it's posted. That's when I tried earlier, but then you can put everything in there, and connected any accounts up yet, but you connect up your account and then you see a post preview here, so you can test that, and then it'll post directly. Okay, so let's go jump back to the designer. You got other things like you can see your post there, your team can add your VAs in, things like that, your settings, your training. So very nice little design app. If you haven't a design app, it's definitely worth looking at. Coupled with my bonus is amazing, and it's worth buying just for my bonus alone. Okay, so thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.